Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to swap videos in InShot. So if you want to swap videos in between videos, here is a quick tip on how to do that. So if you want to swap videos, you must have more than two videos in your timeline with different duration. So currently in this video I only have just one video in my timeline, so I'm just gonna tap to add more videos to my videos. So I'm just gonna tap on this plus button, tap on it, then tap on videos. Then from there I can easily tap and add two different videos just to show. Okay, good. This is two more videos. So tap on this. Then you can see the two videos are now they've been added. So now if I want to swap videos, so this is how I can do that. First thing is I'll have to long click. You can see this is the beginning of this particular video, this is the beginning, this is the beginning of another one here. So if I want to swap this with this, I'll just long click on this, then I'll move it to another part of the video. You can see now I have about 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 videos on my timeline, and if I want to swap in between them, I'll just long click on this, then move it from one place to another until I find a rightful place where I can drop my video, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.